What's going on, guys? This is Andre Miller here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ways how to make some extra money, even if you don't have skills or you don't have a website. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? If you're brand new to the channel, I want to say welcome. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. And if you're always here, welcome back. Good to see you. So, ways how to make extra money. So I'm going to show you guys that something that I've learned and blew me away. And most times, if you do your research, you can find ways. And people always say, like, how do you do that? How do you do these kind of things? Well, you just search. If you're online, if you got a phone with internet and you have a laptop, feel free to search around, right? You just got to search online until you find something. Now, I'm going to show you guys one way how you can make some extra cash. Now, let's go. Boom. Craigslist. Now, wait. Before you even go anywhere, right? Hang on a second, guys. I know you like Craigslist. What can we make money on Craigslist? So, yeah, ways to make extra money without a website or no skills. If you got no skills, no experience, no website, these are ways that you make money. Craigslist. If you go on Craigslist, when you type in the word Craigslist, now if you are in the US, this is going to be perfect. But hang on, guys. I got something for everybody all over the world. So stick with me until the end, and I'm going to give you my #1 recommendation, what you can use to make money. And this is not going to be extra money. It's going to be life-changing, all right? So this right here is extra money if you want to get by. But if you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, if you're tired of working 9 to 5, or if you're tired of your current situation, if you're tired of your job, if you want to make a change this year or next year or something you want to set up, stick to the end, and I'm going to share that with you. So in here, this is Craigslist. What area you are in? Sorry. Click on here. You'll see for sale, and you're going to click on the word free. Now, this is awesome because you can make money with this. Now, if you click on where it says free, right, this is going to populate a lot of different things. So this person is like moving out of the country, has to go by Tuesday. Not sure what this is, but yeah, they're giving away some stuff. Now, you always want to do your research, right? You always want to call and find out if this is legit, and always bring at least 2 or 3 people with you because you want to be safe. You don't want to go alone. Now, if you don't have any friends, I would advise you to find someone who you trust, maybe at work, and just say, hey, can you come with me? And you can go pick these things up, right? Get a van, get a car, and go pick these up. If these people are giving it away for free, what you could do is you could get these things and you could go on eBay and you could go resell them on eBay. Now, for example, if this is worth on the market $100 and you want to sell it for 25, feel free to sell it for 25. Now, some of these things are old. Of course, you ain't gonna get a ton of money for it, but you're gonna get some money. Some of these things, people will buy them. So if you list them on eBay, people will buy them. Are they gonna go like right off the shelf? Could be yes, could be no. Like, we don't know. Look at these grill. Look at this free 55-inch TV, right? So all these things you could get. You could get them and put them on eBay and try to see if you could resell them. Now, people will buy these things, and a lot of people probably think that, oh yeah, because it's for free. You get laid. Look at this sink. This thing looks really good, right? The sink looks good. He's giving away some other things, right? So if you want to go, you go grab this. Grab this stuff and get it out of the way and make some extra money. Ways how to make extra money. And the next thing that I want to show you guys, this is an app that's called Dosh. You could say Dash, DOSH. Some people pronounce it different. Now, this is a cashback app without hassle. The only thing you do, you scan it. So when you shop, they give you promo codes, and you could download it. You could download it using Apple, or you can use it on Android. Now, this is only for people in the US, I do believe. So we do apologize for anyone who's international watching this. Again, wait till the end, and I'm going to recommend something for you. So here, you could download the app and you get cashback. Now, if you go to different, and when you refer it to people, they're going to give you, I think they used to give $15, now they're giving $5. So this, you can refer to a lot of people, hey, who would like to get an app where you can make some extra money. I'm sure people are going to want that. So when you refer to people, of course, you're going to get $5. So hop on that. That way you can make some extra money. So so far I've gave you two. Third one, which is going to be this one. It doesn't matter if you're in the States, you're in the Caribbean. Like me, I'm originally from Jamaica, by the way. Yeah, man. So whether you're in the Caribbean, you're overseas in the UK, you're anywhere in the world, this is good. This is called Upwork. Upwork is one of the ways how you can do freelancing. And if you don't know what freelancing is, basically you're putting your service up for free. So what if you can create or design a website? People would pay you to design a website. Now on these on Upwork, do remember the competition there is high. So you want to make sure that when you're up there, you're doing a good job. Maybe you know how to create videos, right? You know how to make videos, edit videos. People will pay you money for that. Maybe you know how to write, translate. Maybe someone in the US want to translate something in Spanish or in French or whatever. You can offer that service as well. So tons of different, if you go in here where it says view all categories, it should populate all the different things on here. As you can see, photography, graphic designer, illustration, logo design, so stuff like that. Voice talent, voice production, like people will pay you for that kind of stuff. So if you are a copywriter as well, article, like they have IT, they have sales and marketing, they have customer service, all these different things. You can offer your service on there and people will pay you. So you post, as I like to say, post a job, post what you could do, and people will reach out to you. Again, the competition is high. It's tough, but you know, you gotta, you something that I have to do. And again, these are ways how you can make extra money. Now, if you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, I have something which is totally different from what I just mentioned. It is affiliate marketing, and if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, just like you're basically doing the same thing when you go on Craigslist and getting those things, is affiliate marketing. So I'm just gonna sign on into my back office, because most people make videos and they don't show you all the different kind of stuff. Of course, people are gonna be seeing all my information, but it's all good. So right here, you know, this right here is a program that I'm using. It's called Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is a great company. They have a great CEO. We just went down to Florida the other day. We went to a huge event down there, and it's great. You know, they have all the training. They have course step training. They have all the marketing training in here, and these people teach you how you're supposed to market. They will teach you how you market, and it's affiliate marketing company. So that means most people don't know what affiliate marketing is. A lot of you have been doing this for years upon years, and affiliate marketing has been around for a long time, because you refer someone to a restaurant. Did that restaurant pay you? No. You refer someone to a shoe store. Did that shoe store ever pay you? No. So this company is going to pay you when you refer to others, or you share with others, or people who are looking for life-changing opportunity, or people want to look to build a solid business online. Of course, this is a paid membership. So if you want more information about it, click on the link down below, watch the video. You know, the video is there. If for some reason you want to participate, you know, reach out to me on Facebook, shoot me a message, or I'm going to leave my number down there. You guys can call me, you can text me, but that's the only time you can reach out to me, when it's strictly about business. But again, hope this helps, and ways out to make money, ways out to make extra money with no skills or no website. So talk to you guys soon. Subscribe, and we'll see you around. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man.